How to send USDT to Tonkeeper wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallet by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, open up your Tonkeeper and then you can simply go for USDT and make sure to click on receive and click on the copy button. Now once you have copied your wallet address, now it's time to open up any third-party exchange that you are using. So you can go with Binance and Trust Wallet, but in my case Trust Wallet is not supporting the transfer of USDT to Tonkeeper wallet. So the best one is Binance in my opinion. So click on withdraw, then click on search icon on the top and search for USDT. Now once you search for this, simply go for it and then click on send via crypto network. Now once you click there, make sure to paste your address on the top of your screen, and as for the network, make sure it is selected to Toncoin. It will automatically select it to Toncoin, so you don't need to worry about it. As for the memo address, you just need to leave it empty as it is not required by the Tonkeeper if I go back. So what you need to do is to simply enter the minimum amount and then click on the withdraw button. Always ensure to do a test transaction before going for a larger amount in case something goes wrong. Once you receive, you can then go with a larger amount simultaneously. Hope this helped. This is how you can send USDT to Tonkeeper wallet.